Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing well. So I came back with one more video, so which is requested by one of our subscriber. Okay, so right now in this video we're going to making this part as requested by his name is Arun. Okay, so let's help him. Okay, okay, you can see that part here, joystick. So how I'm going to modeling this part? I'll make a base plate first. Okay, and then I'll use a revolve command for making this feature, and again I will use the feature what I can call it is sweep or groove command is there. Okay, revolve. Okay, so be doing that feature. Okay, let's start it. Start from the base plate. Okay, so yeah, of course we can use the boolean operations if we really want to do so. Okay, yeah, let's understand how can we use the boolean operation. Let's understand how can we use the boolean operation. Yeah, okay. I'll make the base plate first. So that's okay. And then again I'll make this revolve part. Okay, I can, yeah. Okay, let's don't make it complex. Okay, we'll make it in a simplest way so that you can it is easy to understand. Okay, let's go to mechanical design, part design, give a part name, click on OK. Okay, so isometric view. See, my top plate I can consider I can consider my top plate should lie on the top plane. Okay, click on the position sketch, select the top plane, click on OK. Now, okay, select the center rectangle, double rectangle. Okay, give dimension. Okay, how much it is? 150 only. Double click 150, enter, and how much it is? This is only 100. Okay, exit. Okay, what is the thickness? 10 mm. So pad it 10 mm, right? Click on preview, click on OK. Okay, and the very first base feature we got it. The second thing is this hole. Okay, leave about that hole, we will do it later. So let's focus on this the revolve part. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, let's so okay, let's close this way. In catia most of the time you will have to follow a special design procedure. Okay, unlike any other CAD software. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to inserting one geometrical set on this part. Click on OK. Okay, or else you can even don't have to keep in this. Okay, insert geometrical set in this part. Click on OK. Okay, now I have geometrical set. Okay, so what I do here, I'll keep all my sketches in this geometrical set. Okay, so let's do that. So okay, let's rename this part. Alt Enter is a shortcut key for renaming. Okay, all sketches. So this would be a best practice, guys. Okay, if you keeping tree structure in a well organized manner, so then the interviewers or even your job culture would be very easy to understand, very easy to communicate with others also. Okay, so let's click on insert geometrical set and select this. I want to make it no. Click on OK. So what I did, I have added a one more geometrical set under the all sketches geometrical set. Now in geometrical set 2, I'll make it as define and work object. Now click on the position sketch, select the top plane, and okay, we can do one more thing also. Okay, let's make all sketches as a work in define object, and I keep one point at origin. Okay, now I'll Make this geometrical set as a work group, as an active one. Okay, you cannot reorder, so you can have the reorder. Right click and you can see the reorder children. Okay, you can make the point upside. Click on OK. That's it. Now geometrical set. Right click, work in define object. So position sketch. Select the top plane and here the projection point, origin. Okay. Now align the axis. Click on OK. So the next thing would be select the center rectangle, center point and drag it and place it somewhere else. Double click on dimension constraint and this length is 180, right? And this is just 100. Okay, fine. Now exit. Now I want to give pad. Okay, so which is a 3D command. Okay, for that I can insert a one more body. Okay, you can see that the body has added body 2. So now I can even rename it. Alt and enter. I can rename it as the base plate. Enter. Okay, so right click and make sure it is working define arc object. Okay, now go on the pad, select the sketch, so 10 mm, right? Enter. Okay, now you have your part in one body. Okay, let's make another body, so which is nothing but this revolve part in another body. Okay, so for that what you have to do is insert one more body. Okay, now you can see that the body 3 is also added. But the thing is, if you want to create a body, you need a sketch, right? So this again is the same procedure. You need to draw a sketch and then you have to uh, make it a one 3D feature. Okay, so let's do that now. So but before adding a 3D feature, I need a 2D sketch. So what I do, I'll just insert a one more geometrical set under this sketch, all sketches. So you can see that, yeah, geometrical 3 set 3 is added. Okay, I can rename this geometrical set name also. Alt enter. Select the geometrical set. Alt enter. Okay, right click, go to properties and change it as base plate. Okay, so which is saying that I'll explain you. Okay, here you can see under the all sketches. Okay, see you have one part body, all sketches, body, and then body. Okay, under the all sketches, what you have one point is there. Okay, for reference. Okay, then after you have done one base plate. The sketch for base plate is existed here. And the second step, what you have done, we will do the revolve part. Okay, the sketch will be available here. Okay, now let's talk about the 3D features. Okay, so after all the sketches, you will have you are having one base plate under this body, and then you are having one more body as that revolve part in this another body. Okay, you can hide this temporarily. Okay, now uh, this is an active geometrical set, so that is fine. Click on the position sketch. Now let's do the one more feature of this revolve. Okay, so click on the position sketch, select the front plane. Okay, and make sure the projection point is this. Click on OK. Okay, here you can see that the center point from edge to the center point, the distance is not given. So we can say that okay, this is exactly existed at the center. Okay, sometimes we will have to consider like that, but sometimes it is not possible. Okay, let's unhide it. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, let's take line command, so which will act as a or axis. Make sure it is a construction. Okay, now just constrain it. What is the angle that is already given? Okay, 137. Double click 137, enter. Okay, on the height 160, 60 only, right? That's it. Next. Okay, what I have to do is I'll have to create a sketch. Okay, the radius of this one is a 14.3. So let's make one circle there from the center, and 14.3 into 2 into 2. Fine. What is the length? Which is a 10 on both sides. So what I do, I'll just take line command, midpoint, like this way I'll draw it, and then I'll make these two perpendicular to each other. Okay, okay, then I can even trim it, but I'll trim later. But I'll use the offset command. Select this on both sides I want. Okay, both sides offset. Okay, 10 only, and okay, you can place it. Okay, Control Z, use the offset command. Select the entity, make sure. Okay, offset value you can give 10, and okay, you can even trim the unnecessary parts now. I don't want this, and this also. Okay, and you can even make it construction. Okay, still the sketch is not constrained. So let's drag it. We'll see in what way it is not fully constrained. Okay, I can understand that this point is not aligning with this axis. Still it is not constrained. Okay, at this point and this edge, right click coincidence. Now my sketch is fully constrained. So let's make this all as a construction. Okay, select it. It is construction. That's fine. Okay, now what is the thickness? 19.5. Let's make one more circle. Okay, 19.5, double click, which is the radius, and we'll have to multiply it. Okay, okay, then next, I think that is the dimension is not on missing. Okay, let's take line command and not from midpoint line. Okay, let's make it as not even tangent also it is. Okay, seems like it is tangent to this inner circle. Okay, I did like that, and one more dimension is also given from this to this. You can see that 28.2. Double click 28.2. Okay, now this line is also not the constraint. So at this point and this edge, right click coincidence. Let's trim that. Okay, now on the same line on the opposite direction, I can use the mirror command. And Okay, before using it, select the entity, click on mirror tool and select this entity. That's it. Now use the trim command again, trim the unnecessary lines. I think you don't need this, this. Okay, yeah. Okay, the pocket we can do later. Okay, let's. Okay, what mistake I did here? Okay, let's make it extend. Select this up to this, and select this up to this, and then trim this. Okay, fine. Okay, delete this line also. We don't need that. Select one line and then place it like this. Okay, select one more line. Okay, you can select that point. Okay, now we'll have to make these two lines not parallel. Yeah, parallel, parallel. Okay, that's it. Select this point and this edge. Right click, coincidence. Okay, okay, okay. I don't need all these sketch waves. I can even remove them. Okay, what is the radius of this one? 19.5. That's fine. So that's it. Let's join these two. Okay, now exit. You can use the revolve tool. Okay, what it is saying? I told you now. We'll have to make it in body 3. Okay, double click on it. Okay, we'll have to remove this line also, and then this is not construction. Exit. Okay, revolve. Okay, so revolve. And axis is not going to selecting. Okay, what we can do is we'll have to create a one more axis in separate page. Okay, we can do like that. Okay, okay, let's take one line from this to this. Double click on dimension constraints, select this circle and this point, right click, concentricity. Select this point and this edge, right click, coincidence. That's it. Now this is acts as a axis. So click on the right click on the body 3, make it work in object, revolve onto profile would be this. The axis is okay, hide, Okay, that's it. Preview. Okay, okay. Now you can understand what it is. Okay. So what I do, there is a one extra thing is there, right? So how I'm going to remove that? Hide this sketch also. Okay. So right click on the body and go to, there is an option called union trim. Okay. Now select the base body. Click on preview. Okay, it is still showing something. So click on the faces to remove and select this face and this face also. Okay, preview. Yeah, it is somewhat doing great thing, right? Okay, let's do section and we'll see how it is. Okay, about what I can say. Yeah, you can see that, right? So we'll have to make a cutout here. That's it. So let's make the section like that for some time. Okay, let's change the view style. Then okay, now you can able to see the all the edges. So the simple thing is, right, add a one more geometrical set under all this sketch. Click on OK. Yeah. Now click on the position sketch. So there is the top line, and you can select the point also right from your tree itself. Click on OK. Now we'll have to make a cutout. That's it, right? So what I'm going to do using is, I'll take a corner rectangle, and from this point to this point I'll take like this, and then okay, okay, what I can say is I can use the intersection of this inner surface. Okay, not this. Delete. So go to the intersection curve. Sorry. Okay. None of the things are working like that. Yeah, which might be a simple thing, but it is taking so much time, right? So what I do, I'll just go to this extraction tool and select all this, right? That's it. So click on the normal view and select this, make it a construction, and at this point, right click coincidence. Okay, now exit. You can use the, okay, you can use the remove command by adding a new one more body. Okay, revolve, select this and then this, click on OK. Now it is creating one 3D body and I want to subtract it, right? So right click, you can even the union trim or subtract, okay, or remove. I want to remove the body from this. Click on preview, click on OK. Let's change the view style. Yeah, which is making things worse. Okay, okay, okay. things we done which is not suitable way like that. Okay, so I'll make this body to the main body. Oh, no, that's it. Okay, you can keep this like that. Okay, the thing is we need to remove a few surfaces. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, and then click on OK. Simple. You can even extract all the things like this way. Exit, and then pocket option isn't available. Right? So pocket, select the sketch, preview, make sure up to next, preview, click on OK. Now make it section. See how it is. Same thing how it is in the drawing. The same thing you can see that, right? So that's it. We can even have a fillet over there. Okay, fillet option where it is. Here it is. What is the fillet value? 5.2. So 5.2, enter. That's it. And four sides will be having a small milling or a pocket. Okay, the depth you can see that. So the B, section B. So section B is located here. I'm saying that there is a four holes. Okay, we'll make that holes. Okay, okay, let's do that. Click on the hole command and select the face. So there it is. Click on the position. So one is here. I think we can add a few more. Okay, okay, just okay, cancel it. We can go with a pocket option itself. Click on position sketch, select this plane. Click on OK. So select the circle, place it here, and then here on. Right. So four are equal. So what is the diameter, which is 7.9? So double click on the dimension and make it as diameter 7.9, enter. From this center point to this, okay, how much it is? It is not given. The dimension for the hole is not given. Okay, what we can do then? We can even take the approximate value. Okay, seems like 10. I'll keep it. It is also seems like 10. I'll keep it. Do the same thing at everywhere. Double click. You can even click on is equals and select this. Click on OK. Select this. Click on OK. Select this point and this edge. Place it. Double click on it. Click on make a is equals and select the one value, so that it will follow the parent dimension. Okay, okay, make sure you're not tapping on that text. You have to tap on that. Okay, it is also working. Okay, wherever you want you can touch it. Earlier one time it is not worked like that. That's why I set it to you. Okay, the same thing. Double click is equals to. Okay, you can see that now. Is equals to. Okay, you can see that the error which is showing like that. So you should not select the dimension. Should select the extension line only. Okay, then it will work. Yeah, it is not working. Okay, let's cancel it. Double click on it. 7.9. Select this. Double click. 7.9. Enter. Select this. Double click. 7.9. Enter. Now exit. Use the pocket. Make sure up to next. Okay. Okay. Now we'll have to make a pocket. So 20 side. 20 side. Okay. Up to depth of 5. So okay. Let's have that. Okay, which is a very simple feature. Don't make too complex. Okay, I'll take rectangle only. I'll take a few rectangles, 4 rectangles, like this way. Okay, make sure this line is vertical. This is also vertical. Then this is horizontal. Fine, let it be. So from this to this, I want 20. That is only the distance dimension we need to care about it. The remaining all are not needed. Okay, fine. Exit. Now you can use the pocket option again, and you know the depth now. Click on dimension, click depth, update it. Now you have a fillet over that, right? So what is the value? 5 it is. So click on the fillet option, select the edge, make sure it is 5, from preview, and select the remaining edges also. Click on OK. Isometric view. I think everything is covered. The one thing that is not covered is so 2 mm radius, which is what I can do here. Before making this pocket, I'll make this pocket, right click and make in work define object, and here I'll make a edge fillet for this phase only. Click on 2, click on preview, see that which is forming here also. So okay, let's clear section, click on the position top fillet, select the edge, this edge, 4 edges selected, 2 enter. Now okay, again go back and define in notebook. So this is how you can easily model this part, guys. So hope you guys are learned a few things about the part modeling in catia. So especially this boolean operations. Okay. So which may be very useful when you are making the parts like this. Okay. So here is also we have made direct pockets here. Okay, that is not the process recommendable. So what is the recommendable is we will have to make uh, the feature as a 3D model, not like a pocket one. We'll have to make it as a extrusion. Then we'll have to subtract it from the main body. So like what we have done here, the boolean operation we'll have to remove it. So anyway, so this is the most easiest and the understandable way to model this part. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. So there are two more images are there. We'll be seeing one by one in the upcoming video.